Every Wednesday, I'm going to come on live and I'm going to talk about your feet. So it's almost summer here in the United States and we wear flip-flops, or at least I do. I know several people that do. Here's my favorite flip-flop, my Havaianas. I started wearing these like really early on in my early 20s when I went to Brazil. And I just love these sort of buttery flip-flops, and I just cannot stop wearing them no matter how old I get. And I complain about my feet. So I decided to make a three-part series where each week we are going to be talking a little bit about how to keep your feet healthy during the summer. And what we're going to do, the first part is roll out something I call toe raise, which are your actual toe flexors. And I'm going to show you my hand because it's easier that way. You've got these tendons that run down all the way to your, imagine this is your heel, and they are your toe grabbing muscles, right? So when you are on your flip-flops and there's no arch support, your arches collapse, your toes collapse, the toe bones collapse, and you might get pain on the feet. So let's roll those out together. This is going to be really quick. You're going to grab tennis ball, a lacrosse ball, something that is small enough that you can try to get separate toes. You might roll two toes at the same time, and something firm enough that it's not going to smash and you won't get a good roll out of it. Okay. I have actually a yoga tune-up ball, which I'm loving. If anyone wants to learn a little bit more about yoga tune-up, just PM me or write a comment and I'll let you know. I have an instructor, her name is Elisa. I'll actually tag her on this, who is amazing with these rolling balls. So helpful for the body. Okay, so let's do our feet together. I'm just going to lower my camera a little bit more. And we're going to start with the big toe. And you're going to roll all the way down the toe to the heel, okay? And then roll all the way up that same toe line to the big toe joint. So remember, you're trying to get all the way down the bone as if it were a finger. And we're gonna bring the ball to, this is gonna get my second and third toe at the same time. So I'm going to roll out, and I'm sitting so you can see my whole body, but you can do this standing. If you stand, go to the heel. If you stand, you can put more of your weight on it and it's a little bit more excruciating. And if you like that kind of pain, I would stand. And then we're going to get the fourth and fifth toe. So start at the ball of the foot or the toe joints, and you're going to roll to the heel. And then roll all the way to the fourth and fifth toe. Good. Exactly. Nice. And then just feel the difference in the feet. You can lift and lower the heels a few times. And then let's get the other foot. So big toe joint. You're going to roll that ray, and I get a lot more feeling in that medial or the middle part of my foot, inner part of my foot, because I tend to collapse my arches. I know that, and I wear the flip-flops a lot. Now that we're out and about. Okay, so fourth and fifth toe. And this goes the same thing for slides. Slides, there might be a little bit more arch support. So you're lucky there, but I will do the several different exercises in the coming weeks. Fourth, fifth toe comes next. Roll it out. And just remember, you can do this standing. I would try this again. Maybe save this video and try this again this week and see how that feels for you. Good, all the way. I'm going slow for a reason. You don't want to skip over it and go fast. You want to press into it and really get in there. And if it makes your foot cramp, that's normal. I would just release a little bit and let the cramp subside and then go back into it. It's super normal to get those foot cramps, especially if you've never done that, this kind of rollout before. All right, summer feet. Go ahead and do a little prance with your heels. And then next week, I'm going to talk about the big toe joint and bunions or bunionettes, sometimes people call them mini bunions, and how that relates to flip-flops and walking. So come back next week for more foot fun. All right, I'll see you later. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye.